this is boss. Wow, this is boss. I love it. Oh my gosh, this seat is so much better. Oh my gosh. Marauders, welcome back to the channel. Big day. Say goodbye to this beautiful, I love the way this seat looks on this motorcycle. Say goodbye to the torture rack. I think it took about 6 weeks, but my seat concepts came through. About 5 to 6 weeks I received hopefully my XL seat for this. It's a little wider, and they say it's custom built for my weight. And I'm gonna take off the stock seat and put on the seat concept seat. And I've never pulled the seat off of this before. Oh, you know what? I probably didn't have to loosen them. It slides forward. Oh, man. This is light. Looks clean under there. All right, let's go look at the other seat for me, if you can see it. Isn't that beautiful? It was a snapshot off of one of my videos, and they blew it up for me. I sent it to them in a text, not intending that they were going to blow it up or make a poster for me, but it's, I think they did a great job. This seat is definitely heavier, but it's not that much heavier. They are, I guess, the seat company for custom seats for motorcycles. There's the back of it. I know that's not what you want to see. Man, it looks beautiful. What a company. So they did not have the blue. They did not have the blue. Couldn't match it. I don't think they had an orange for my seat, or I couldn't get it in the texture. I want to say this is the semi-grip texture. It's not the real grippy, it's in between. But I like that they have an orange stitch option that I took advantage of. And look at how much wider. Give you a closer look. Look at how much wider it is here. Now, most dual sport manufacturers design these seats around their motocross bikes. So, and the motocross people, not to put any of us down, are typically much younger. They're typically much younger, in much better shape than I am, and much more skilled than I am. It should slide right on. You can get an option just to get the foam and the cover. I got the whole seat. I wasn't about to pull this apart, although this is stapled also. Wasn't about to redo that. I'll give you a look at them side by side. I can tell you, it was so uncomfortable. So, let's put the seat on. I think it's beautiful. By the way, I don't thank you enough. Thank you for coming back to the channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel, liking the video, sharing it with a friend. Love your comments. I'm fortunate that I can answer every one of your comments. Even if you disagree with me, don't be shy. All of you are so polite and kind, but don't hesitate to leave a comment. Let's put this seat on. Give you one more look. So there's where in the molded bottom, that's where those hooks get set into, get slid back. Ooh, she's bigger. Oh my gosh. What do you think, guys? gosh, I can't wait to sit on it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to sit on it. So she's on. She's on. Those two hooks are in there. I'm gonna tighten my Moscow Moto bag up. The bag I love. It's definitely thicker towards the back. This is a great product. So many of you may, why do I leave the Moscow Moto bags on? Because my tools are on this side, and then I fill this is just a bag. If I drop the bike, hopefully it's gonna protect my turn signals. I don't have a turn signal tighty kit. All right, let's move this bike and I'll sit on the seat for the first time. Wow, Marauders, is this seat nice? Oh my gosh. So I've never ridden this motorcycle without bicycle pants on, and I have no bicycle pants on whatsoever now. And I'm forward like I would if I was sitting riding off-road. I'm sitting forward like I would be riding off-road, and it is comfortable. Now, a couple things. Since I rode this off-road, gotta tilt this up. Since I rode this off-road, I've been working out at the gym and at home, but at the gym 3 times a week. I've been rowing for 30 minutes every time I go to the gym, and so my lower body is getting stronger, including my butt is getting stronger. But wow, is this bike nice on the road. You know, I thought when guys do the moto thing with this, I thought that was such a silly thing to do. I totally didn't get it. You know, why would you do... I'm gonna sync the videos. Oh man, this is boss. Wow, this is boss. I love it. Oh my gosh, this seat is awesome. This seat is so much better. Oh my gosh. So much better. Really happy with the seat, guys. Wow. And this goes back to what I thought before about this motorcycle. Make sure my camera's running. This goes back to what I thought before, why I wanted the 500. It is just so much nicer on the street. Double take. Okay, so the seat, huge win. Huge win. Man, I just want to ride this thing. Guys, I'm sorry. It's just the seat is so nice. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. So, get off the day, Peter. Focus. Seat, seat, seat. The seat. Huge win. Huge win on the seat. Very comfortable. I am wearing no bicycle pants whatsoever. I'm wearing my Revit Sands. I'm wearing my Revit Sand pants, black. I do have the rain liner in them. I do have the rain liner in them. This bike, man, I might get another set of rims or put motor tires on it. This bike is so much fun. She is so much fun on the street. Wow, I might get a set of small street tires for this. This is so much fun on the street. Okay, so back to it. I'm wearing my Revit riding pants. I'm sorry, my Revit Sans riding pants. I do have the rain liner in it, and I do have, it's like a thermal liner. I don't really know how much it gives, so I did just add that before the ride. It's low, probably about 42 degrees now. And that's what I'm wearing. And by the way, I'm also wearing, and I don't know my boots. I'll put it in the description. I bought a set of boots at Cycle Gear. They're really street boots. I want to adjust these mirrors, and there's no one behind me. Do the dance, man. Give me a break with this KTM 500. EXC-F 500. People, come on. This thing, I haven't even tuned it. There's no muffler on it. And, you know, 350. I no doubt the 350 is a nice bike. This thing dances, and, you know, I made the wrong turn. This isn't where I want to go. Anyways, back to the seat. Huge win. Seat concepts, huge win. Okay, that's enough on seat concepts. We'll give the win to them. Man, I just want to ride this bike. So that's the end of the Seat Concepts video. Marauders, it's a big win. The company was very nice when I called them trying to figure out what seat to order. They were very nice when I was doing that. So huge shout out to Seat Concepts. Quality company, customer service is excellent. They do take, my seat I want to say took maybe 6 weeks, 5 weeks maybe, and they tell you that. They give you updates every couple of weeks, week and a half, what's going on with your order, which is nice. That's it. Wow. Do the dance. Now I want to reset all of these cameras.